Now let's discuss the fourth question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Okay, so the question is what? How many sides does a regular polygon have? And what is given in the question? In the question, it's already given that measure of each of its interior angle is 165 degree. Since it's a regular polygon, you know that all angles will be equal. Okay, and the measure of each of its interior angle is what? 165 degree. Okay, so let's write it. That is the measure of interior angle is what? 165 degree. Okay, and we need to find how many sides does that regular polygon have. And let's take one example. Suppose this is the polygon. Okay, this is not the actual polygon, but in order to understand the concept, I am taking this as the polygon. Okay, and you know that how will you draw the exterior angle? This will be the first one. Then okay, and what about the second one? This will be the second one. Now this will be the third one. So this will be the first angle, this will be the second angle, and now if you are extending this, this will be the third angle. Okay, these will be the exterior angles. But in the question, it's given that its interior angles is 165 degree. Okay, in the question it's given in that way. Interior angle is 165 degree. That means here it will be one. Actually, this is not the case. Okay, I'm just taking the triangle, but this will not be the case. Okay, here you can see that if this is the interior angle, this is the exterior angle, so that you can see that both interior angle and exterior angle will form what? Linear pair. Okay, or you can say that sum of interior angle, okay, sum of interior angle and exterior angle will be 180 degree. So here you can see that interior angle is given in the question as 165 degree, and you will see that this interior angle plus this exterior angle will make the sum what? 180 degree. That is sum of interior angle and exterior angle is 180 degree. You know that. Okay, it will be the case for any regular polygon. Suppose this is the polygon, then if you are drawing the exterior angle, then you can see that this will be the interior angle. So this interior plus exterior will make what? 180 degree. Okay, so that is one fact. That is sum of interior and exterior angle is 180 degree. So you can find the exterior angle. So if the sum of interior angle and exterior angle is 180 degree, then how will you find the exterior angle? That is interior plus exterior is 180 means exterior can be found by exterior angle is equal to 180 minus interior angle, which is 165. Understand? 180 minus 165. So what is 180 minus 165? 5, 7, 1. Okay, what will be the answer? 15 degree. Okay, exterior angle will be equal to 15 degree. Understand? But our question is not that. Our question is that how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree. So we have found the exterior angle from the given interior angle, and now our next task is to find the number of sides. Okay, and you know one more thing. What is that? You know that sum of exterior angles, okay, sum of measures of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Okay, you know that fact. So in order to, and you know one more thing. What is that? Number of sides will be equal to number of exterior angles. That is, if 6 exterior angles are there, there will be 6 sides. Okay, if 3 exterior angles are there, there will be 3 sides. Okay, if 3 exterior angles are there, it will be a 3-sided polygon. If 5 exterior angles are there, it will be a 5-sided polygon. Okay, so in order to find the number of sides, what you have to do, you know the total sum. Okay, that is total sum of exterior angles is what? 360 degree. If you are dividing it by each exterior angle, which is 15 degree, that we have already found 15 degree, then you will get the number of sides. Understand? That is both number of sides and number of exterior angles are the same. Okay, as I have already told. So in order to find the number of sides, you can just divide this 360, which is the total sum of exterior angles, divided by measure of each exterior angle, which is 15. Okay, so you will get the answer as what? 360 divided by 15. What is 360 divided by 15? 2, 30, 64. Okay, so answer will be 24. Understand? Answer will be 24. Okay, understand how you are getting this? Okay, so this is the answer for fourth question. Now let's see the fifth question. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Okay, possible to get exterior angle as 22 degree. Okay, 22 degree. You have to find it for a regular polygon. Okay, so you know that sum of measure of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to what? 360 degree. Okay, you know one thing. What is that? Number of sides. In order to get the number of sides, you can just take the sum. Okay, take the sum divided by measure of each exterior angle. Okay, sum of exterior angle divided by each exterior angle. Okay, then you will get the number of sides, or you can tell number of exterior angle. Okay, that is, in order to find the number of sides or number of exterior angle, you can just do what? Sum of exterior angle, that is 360 degree, divided by measure of each exterior angle. Okay, if you do so, you will find the number of sides or number of exterior angle. So here in the, you know that sum of measures of exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. Okay, and if you are dividing 360 by what is the measure of each exterior angle, it's given as 22. Okay, if you divide this 360 by 22, okay, let's do it. Then you will get what? Then you will get the number of exterior angle or number of sides. Okay, so let's do it. 1, 22, 4, 1, 22 into 6, 12, carry 1, 132. Okay, now you will get the remainder as what? 8. Okay, you got the remainder as 8. Remainder cannot be 8. If the remainder should be 0. Why? Because number of sides means what? It should be a particular whole number. It cannot be some 16 point something or 17 point something. That is not possible. Why? Because it represents sum of exterior angle by each exterior angle means what? That answer should represent what? Number of sides, or the number of sides of the polygon, or the number of exterior angles of the polygon. Okay, but here you can see that you are getting remainder as 8. That means if you are further dividing it, here you will have to get some 16 point something. Okay, but that is not possible, since the answer represent 360 by 22 represents what? Number of sides or number of exterior angle, but number cannot be what? Point something. Okay, number means it will be always a whole number. That means answer for this question is what? Not possible. Understand? Answer for this question is not possible. Okay, it's not possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree. Understand? For that, you have to just divide this 360 by 22. Then if you are getting the remainder as 0 means you can tell that it's possible. Okay, but here the remainder is not 0. So it's not possible to have a regular polygon. Understand? Okay. Now what is B? What is the B part of this question? Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? And that is, in the first question it was given that 22 degree is the exterior angle. So B is that, is it possible if 22 degree is the interior angle? Okay, if 22 degree is the interior angle, then is it possible? So you know that sum of interior angle, okay, sum of interior angle and exterior angle is what? 180 degree. Okay, sum of interior and exterior angle of a polygon is equal to 180 degree. So if the interior angle is 22 degree means what will be the exterior angle? Exterior angle, how will you find it? Just subtract, that is 180 minus this interior angle 22. 180 minus 22. What is 180 minus 22? Let's do it. 180 minus 22. 8, 7, 1. So 158 degree. So we got the exterior angle as what? 158 degree. Okay. Now the question is that is it possible to have a regular polygon with exterior angle 158 degree? Okay. Our actual question was is it possible to have a regular polygon with interior angle 22 degree? Okay. But we have converted or we have found out the exterior angle which is 158 degree. So now the question has turned into what? Is it possible to have a regular polygon with exterior angle 158 degree? Okay, so next you can do the same procedure as I have done in A, that is dividing 360 by 158. Okay, what is 158 into 2? 16, carry 1, 10, 11, carry 1, 3. So 158 into 2 is 316. So 454. Okay. Sorry, 44. Okay, 44. So here also you are getting the remainder as 44, which is not equal to 0. Okay, here also remainder is not 0. So you can tell that it's not possible. Understand? If the remainder was 0, then you can tell that it was possible. But here 158 is not a divisor of 360, so you can tell that it's not possible. Understand? So for answer for A and B is both not possible. Okay, did you understand what I have done here? Okay, now let's see the sixth question. That what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon Y? Okay, that is the first question. That is, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So, you know that the regular polygon with the minimum number of sides. What is that? Regular polygon with the minimum number of side is an equilateral triangle. You know that. Okay. Minimum number of side means what? 3 side. Okay. Less than 3 side you cannot draw a polygon. Understand? At least 3 sides are needed to draw a polygon. You know that. So that will be the least number of sides possible for a regular polygon, which is 3. Okay. And you know that regular polygon means what? All angles will be equal. Okay. Regular polygon means all angles will be equal. So what is the sum of the angles of a triangle? Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and if all angles are equal means how many angles are there? 3 angles. So 180 degree divided by 3 will give what? 60 degree will be the measure of each interior angle. Understand? Okay, without doing this itself you can tell how, because for a regular polygon with minimum number of sides means what? It will be definitely an equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle is the regular polygon with minimum number of sides or with minimum interior angle. Okay, so here you can see that for an equilateral triangle all angles will be equal, so each angle will be equal to what? 60 degree. So answer for A will be 60 degree. Okay, that is minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is 60 degree. Okay, now what is the next question? B is that what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Okay, it can be easily found out from the first question itself. How? Because this will be the exterior angle then. Okay, so this is the minimum for an equilateral triangle. When we are considering the regular polygon, interior angle is minimum for what? Equilateral triangle. Okay, then you can tell that for the same equilateral triangle, the exterior angle will be the maximum. Okay, this exterior angle will be the maximum. Understand? Okay, if you are considering this square, then you can see that this is 90 degree. Okay, so what happened if when the interior angle increased, what happened to exterior angle? It got decreased. Okay, that is here it was this much angle, but when it got 4 sides, what happened? This exterior angle got decreased. That is, with each increase in interior angle, exterior angle will get decreased. Okay, so in this question, from question A, you understood that equilateral triangle have got the minimum interior angle when considering the regular polygon. Okay, so it will be having the maximum exterior angle also. Okay, so what will be the exterior angle if the interior angle is 60 degree? Exterior angle can be easily found out by just subtracting 180 minus 60. What is 180 minus 60? It's 120 degree. So measure of maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon is what? 120 degree. Understand? Maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon is 120 degree. Understand? Actually, answer for B we are actually getting from the first question itself. But you should be able to understand the concept, okay? That is, with each increase in interior angle, exterior angle will get decreased. So we already know that the minimum interior angle is 60 degrees. So the maximum exterior angle will be what? 180 minus 60, which is 120 degree. Understand? So this is how you have to do exercise 3.2. So I hope you understood this. Here for each and every question we are using the concept of what? Sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Understand?